So here let's look at two indirect proportion examples. And remember that we do have to flip the ratio. So if I have 3 workers build a wall in 12 hours, how long would it take for 6 equally productive workers? So the way I'm going to set this up is I'm going to do workers together and then my time, so my hours. Now keep in mind that the way, since this is an indirect, right, because we have 3 workers takes 12 hours, so if I increase my number of workers, it should decrease my number of hours. So that tells me that it's indirect. I'm going to flip, so the way they will match will be the numerator workers goes with the denominator hours, and then the denominator workers goes with the numerator hours. So I have 3 workers takes 12 hours. And how many hours does 6 workers take? And now we're going to solve. So 3 times 12 gives me 36. 6 times x is 6x. Divide by 6 on both sides. And that gives me 6 hours. Here we're going to look at a reservoir. It takes 14 hours for a faucet to flow of 18 liters per minute to fill a reservoir with water. So how long will it take if its flow is reduced to 7 liters per minute? So we know that we're reducing the rate, so then our time should increase. So I have my rate of flow, so 18 liters per minute, takes 14 hours. If it is reduced to 7 liters per minute, how many hours? And now we're going to cross multiply to solve. So 18 times 14 gives me 252. 7 times x is 7x. Divide by 7 on both sides. So we're getting 36 hours when the rate is reduced.